right, the big reminder that you've really been emphasizing today, I think, is that this time tomorrow we'll be in some of the coldest air.
Yeah, you know how I actually, so sometimes you get so caught up in like, I'm looking at these maps all the time. I know the timing of every weather thing.
Yep.
And then someone will say something to you about it and you realize, ooh, I didn't communicate that correctly. And sometimes that someone is my wife. So
Well, thanks for that.
no, but it's like she said, can Luke and I go outside tomorrow afternoon? And I was like, no. And then it got me thinking I should harp on this a little bit more, So here's the Arctic front that's about to roll in here, and this is where all that cold air lurks behind. Some snow squalls out there. The radar network is a little patchy coming out of Canada, but this probably looks a little bit more fierce as it gets closer here. So right now, temperatures are fine. We're freezing in Portland, which is going to seem great in 12 hours or so, and then 19 in Greenville, 24 in Millinocket. But let's widen the picture out. And if you've been following along with us for the last 8, 9, 10 days, I showed you this mid-level temperature map when we were talking about how cold it was going to get. And it looked just like this. It was exactly this lobe of cold air coming down from the northwest to southeast that'll happen overnight tonight. So when the front comes through, this is 10 o'clock tonight, midnight tonight, there'll be snow squalls, some accumulation, 1/2 inch to 1 inch possible in the mountains and foothills. And then a big wind shift, and then temperatures drop. So here's 2 a.m. this morning, 27 in Portland, 25 Wiscasset, 29 in Rockland. Okay, front comes through, and then 6 hours later, 1, -3, -1. Now, this model is on the cold side of the computer model guidance for tomorrow, but I think it's in the ballpark. So even if you add a few degrees to this, tomorrow is going to be really frigid, which goes back to the original point that Brian was bringing up there, which is, if you're thinking about you're going to hunker down tomorrow night and Saturday morning, that's great. But driving home from work tomorrow, picking up kids from school tomorrow, it's already dangerously cold at that point. So just keep that in mind, that you want to be in the same mindset for tomorrow afternoon that you might be for tomorrow night and into Saturday morning. Now, all that to say, the overnight low temperature forecast here has not changed. So we have wind chill warnings everywhere. We have a ground blizzard warning across Aroostook County, and those temperatures still look to be 15, 20, 25 to 30 below zero. But we get out of it pretty quick, and by Sunday afternoon, we're in good shape. And look at next week is going to definitely be an above average week temperature-wise. And February 8th through the 12th, according to the Climate Prediction Center, we are above average. So I think this is certainly the anomaly comparatively. And we've got a couple of little light systems. One Tuesday night, that's probably a mixture of light rain and light snow. Then one we're watching for Thursday and into Friday, and I don't know exactly what that looks like yet, but we'll get through the cold snap and then the warm up after, and then we'll deal with that. But no big storms in the next couple days for sure.
Okay, but plenty for you to watch after this weekend.
Yeah.
Good.
Keith, thank you.